Welcome to EC Baking. My name is Emma.
My name is Chloe.
And today we're going to be making chocolate and raspberry brownies. And here are the things you need. So first, we set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. 9 ounces of white chocolate, and don't forget to set some aside. 6 tablespoons of butter. Half a cup of sugar. 2 large eggs beaten. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 cup and a quarter cup of all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon of salt. And 5 ounces of fresh raspberries. And those are the ingredients that you're going to need. Okay, so you're going to pour your chocolate into a double boiler. You're going to be mixing your chocolate until once it's melted a little. And then once it's melted, we can move on to the next step. Okay, now you have to crack your eggs, just like this in a bowl. Now you're going to be mixing your butter and sugar together into a bowl with a stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. So now we're going to dump the eggs and sugar, and not the eggs. Now you can add your vanilla in the bowl. Okay, so once all of your ingredients, like your butter, sugar, and vanilla, are all mixed together, then you can add in your eggs. Now this is what your chocolate should look like once it's melted.
Now mix the chocolate with the egg mixture. Now you can mix this together.
This is what it should look like when all your ingredients except the flour are mixed in.
Now we sift the flour into the mixture.
Now you fold the flour into your mixture gently.
Now you fold in the chocolate chips and raspberries.
Now you grease the pan and put parchment paper in. Now you are going to take your mixture and you are going to pour it into your pan, just like this.
This is what it should look like before you put it in the oven.
Now you ask an adult to help you put your dessert into the oven. Now you're going to set your oven timer for 35 minutes.
Now we have to wait.
When your dessert is done and the toothpick comes out clean, you can ask an adult to help you take out your dessert. Once it is cooled, you can put it on a cooling rack. This looks so good. Now we're just gonna cut into it.
going to be the first taste tester, and Emma's going to be the second.
Yeah. It kind of broke.
This is from Emma's cookbook.
Yeah. The Complete Children's Cookbook. Try it. Okay. And I'll cut a little for myself. I don't think it'd be hot. It's not hot.
Got a pot for me.
Is it good? I bet I'll try it now.
This is so good.
It is really good. This is so good, but we'll see you next time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Bye!